Alright, we are at this parking garage in Toledo. Looks like it's bottom drive. Down to S. Aww! That's no fun. They cover the limber so you can't see it. That's not cool at all. This one, get the single slide. So these were Haughton. Well, this goes to H. That's locked. I think that's a helipad, actually. That's not fun at all. They cover up the machinery. Oh, it's going up. Maybe it will. Let's see. That'd be cool if we get to see the helipad. Just kidding. All right, down to 1. There's your fixtures. Modded buttons. Modded with atoms. Anyway.